In front of me is OnePlus 13R, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to hit Google. Then tap on All Services to scroll again and hit Autofill with Google. Now tap on this switcher next to Use Autofill with Google to activate it, and hit Google Password Manager to select Add Password and input all of those informations. When you finished, to save your password, you need to hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!